In this video, you'll learn how to change your Envato password. By following these steps, you will be able to update your login credentials securely and efficiently. Begin by logging into your Envato account. Once you are logged in, look for your profile icon, which is typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option labeled Account Settings or Profile Settings to proceed to the relevant section. Once you are in the Account Settings area, locate the section labeled Password or Security. This section is where you can manage your login credentials. It is important to ensure that you are on a secure device during this process to protect your account from unauthorized access. Next, you will need to enter your current password in the designated field. Following this, create a new password that is strong and unique. A strong password typically includes a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. After entering your new password, confirm it by typing it again in the provided confirmation field. It is essential to double check that both entries match to avoid any errors. After verifying your new password, look for the button that Save or Update. Clicking this button will apply your changes. The system will then display a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully updated. Take note that you may need to log out and log back in using your new password to ensure the changes have taken effect. Your account is now secured with the updated password. Remember to store your new password in a safe place to avoid forgetting it. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider checking your internet connection to ensure a smooth experience.